Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? The last one here might make you rethink how loud you snore. That rumble is just gas and fluid moving around while your gut muscles contract. Your brain signals your digestive system to get ready. Ever wondered why your leg jerks when you're falling asleep? That's your brain thinking you're dying, so it jolts you awake. There are people who dream only in black and white, mostly older folks who grew up with B&W TV. Some snores can reach 90 decibels, as loud as a lawnmower next to your face. Follow for more.